Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this Kiwi.com review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. In this video, we're taking a deep dive into Kiwi.com, a popular online travel booking platform celebrated for its innovative tools and budget-friendly prices. Kiwi.com caters to travelers seeking affordable and flexible travel arrangements, offering a wide array of options. Its strength lies in uncovering unique itineraries by seamlessly integrating flights, buses, and even train travel, often leading to substantial savings. A key feature that sets Kiwi.com apart is its guarantee. This protection shields travelers from the headaches of missed connections due to flight delays or cancellations, especially valuable when booking trips involving multiple airlines. This provides peace of mind, particularly when navigating complex travel plans. Kiwi.com's user-friendly search engine boasts unique functionalities like the Nomad feature, designed to help users craft multi-city trips while minimizing costs. Another helpful tool is the radius search, enabling travelers to discover destinations within a specified distance of their starting point, perfect for those seeking spontaneous adventures. Stay informed about the best deals with Kiwi.com's price alerts, ensuring you never miss a bargain on your desired destinations. Managing your trip is a breeze with Kiwi.com's sleek and efficient mobile app. Access your e-tickets, receive real-time flight updates, and even retrieve boarding passes for select airlines, all within a single, convenient interface. The app is an invaluable companion for travelers on the move. Kiwi.com supports a diverse global audience by offering multiple currencies and languages. While it shines in providing cost-effective and inventive travel solutions, it's ideally suited for travelers who prioritize flexibility and are open to less conventional routes. Some users have reported slower customer support response times during peak periods, a factor to consider if your travel plans have strict deadlines. To summarize, Kiwi.com is a valuable resource for travelers prioritizing affordability, unique itineraries, and adaptable travel arrangements. Its innovative features distinguish it in the crowded online booking platform landscape. Ready to explore the world with Kiwi.com? Check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!